Good morning, students. In the last class, we had discussed about how the war was going on between Greeks and the Trojans, and the prince persuaded Helen. Today, we will continue with the last paragraph of part 1. So, open page number 41, last paragraph. The fight was going on between the Trojans and the Greeks, and the Greeks and the great heroes participated in the war was killed. Student, who was Hector? Hector was a Trojan prince and son of Priam and a great warrior. So even he was killed by Achilles. Okay. Achilles was a hero of the Trojan and a great warrior. But Achilles was also killed in that war by a poisoned arrow that entered in his heel. Then even Paris, the prince of Troy, was also killed by the poisoned arrow. So the Trojans and the Greeks were tired of this war, which was going on, and still the fighting was going on. So students, I hope so you understood the first part of the lesson. It's a very interesting story. Once again, you will read the lesson thoroughly before solving the English workshop. So let's start with the English workshop. Read the passage and name the following. He composed the Iliad and the Odyssey. So who composed? Homer. He persuaded Helen to elope with him. Who was that person? Paris, a prince of Troy. She was wife of the king Menelaus. Who was the wife of king Menelaus? Helen. He led the defense of Troy for 9 years. Who? Hector. He was killed by a poisoned arrow that entered his heel. Achilles. Now next question, second, that is you have to find the antonyms of the following words. Okay. Barren. What will be the antonyms of barren? Fertile. Offended. Defended. Cowardly. Bravely. Peace. War. Surrender. Fight or attack. Exposed, covered or protected or closed. Defenseless, well protected. You can also write safe. Question number 3. From other sources, find synonyms of the following words used in the story. Great means hero, means brave. Beautiful, woman, means pretty. Fight is a verb, you can write defend. Rich, prosperous. Safe, well protected. Strong, well guarded. Brave, strong. Now question number 4. Correct the following sentence using the facts from the passage. Troy traded in cattle and grains with other countries. Now students, over here you have to write the fact. Troy added in goods and grains with other cities. Okay. Now next see. Helen eloped with Menelaus. So Helen eloped with Paris, a prince of Troy. Next see here. Troy was attacked because it was a strong, rich city. Now, Troy was attacked to take revenge for the wrong done to Menelaus. Okay. Next, the Greek armies and heroes always defeated the Trojans. Now here, instead of always, the fact is could never defeat the Trojans. Both the enemies were eager to continue fighting. The fact is what? They wanted to end their fighting. The great heroes avoided one another. That means they tried to kill one another. Achilles was killed by an arrow that pierced his heart. Actually entered his heel. Now children, next is state the counter actions for the following actions. I have given you 2, the rest you are going to solve. Helen eloped with Paris. So what is the counter action over here? The Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy and they sailed and laid siege to the city of Troy. Next, the Greeks sailed to Troy and attacked it. The Trojans fought hard and siege continued for 10 long years. Okay. Next, From either of our two Indian epics, find out which battle war lasted the longest. Write down about its cause, the enemy armies, its heroes, its duration, and the final outcome. Dear students, you will have to write the story of the Mahabharata. Mahabharata was lasted for the longest. Okay, the cause is what? Kauravas denied possessions of kingdom Hastinapur to Pandavas. Okay, the enemy armies. Who were the enemy armies? Kauravas. 100 Kauravas, Shakuni, then Shalya, Karna, Dona, all that you will write. Then the heroes. Who are the heroes? Means the characters. Next, duration. Duration was of 18 years. And the final outcome. You know the story of Mahabharata very well. So, you can write it down. And the next, the question number 7, complete the following sentence with reference to the passage is homework for you. Okay. So, complete workshop in your classwork book. Thank you.